Hello and welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I will share a recipe with quail's egg. So first of all I'll tell you quail's egg are very small in size, it's very teeny one, but I will request you not to consume much quail's egg altogether because it's high protein and high cholesterol. So max to max you can have 2 together, or in a day max to max, in summer 3, or in winter max to max 5. So let's go to the recipe. The name of the recipe is Gobi Masala Quails. So quail's egg, which we call in Bengali quail dim, I'll prepare it with gobi. So gobi means cauliflower. We will do the recipe very soon, and I'll do the ritual. Just go through my YouTube channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. You can check Madhurima's Kitchen in Facebook, Instagram as well. And if you want to order food, you can go through Zomato, or you can directly contact me in Madhurima's Kitchen. So let's go to the recipe. Start with the recipe. I have boiled quail's egg, and first I have to remove the shell carefully. It's very teeny, and don't consume too much. Marinate the quail's egg with turmeric and salt, chopped onion, chopped tomato, ginger paste, and with the chopped coriander, chopped cauliflower, and red chili. Spices, I'm using whole cumin powder, garam masala powder, and then bay leaf, salt, turmeric, and Kashmiri mirch powder. And first I will heat some mustard oil. And then I will fry the marinated quail's egg properly and keep it aside. Now in the remaining oil add the bay leaf and whole cumin, and then green peas and chopped onion. So fry it properly. Open the lid and check if the peas are soft or not, and then add the chopped cauliflower, and don't add the red chili, but add rest of the spices apart from the garam masala powder, and cook it well. If needed, just add little bit of water so that the masala or the spices won't burn. Open the lid and the veggies are soft, oil is coming out. So I'll add the quail's egg, and I'll add little bit of water and cook it again. We'll cover it and cook it again. Oh, by the way, I added little bit of sugar for the taste. The gravy is already dry, so I added the garam masala powder, followed by red chili and some chopped onion and fresh coriander. Enjoy the gobi masala with quail's egg curry with roti, chapati, or rice.